Good morning. Welcome to InfoSyntax. Today we will learn about collection and document of MongoDB. Before you understand collection and document, let's understand database. What is database? A database can contain the collection of information or data typically stored in a computer system. MongoDB server can have one or more databases. In other words, we can tell MongoDB database is a container of collection. Then the question will arise like what is information or data. So we will cover this one on our next slide. Data. It is a raw fact through which an object cannot be identified. If I give the example, employee name, salary of an employee or individual known as 11 data. So this statement says that if employee name one data, if I say employee name is King, it's a data, but in this one we will not understand King is working on which department or King is getting how much salary from a company. Only we understand one employee and his name is King. That much only we can understand. So here we mention object cannot be identified. Now understand information. It's a organized collection of related data is known as information through which an object can clearly identify. Means information is collection of data. If I say the previous example, King is working under IT department. So this statement we come to know one of the employee whose name is King and he is working under IT department. Now what is data file? Organized collection of related information is known as data file. Group of information are making as a data file. Nowadays we are maintaining all this data in our system or server and we are managing all this data through the application only. Now we will understand database collection into documents in MongoDB. As you see the picture, database can contain some group of collection and each collection can contain group of document. We can see on this picture. Similarly, other side also that collection have some documents. Now we will understand what is the collection in MongoDB and that we will see on our next slide. Collection nothing but it is group of document. A collection consists of group of MongoDB document. It is similar to a DBMS table. Now in this screen you have two collection, one is department and employee, and each collection have some group of document. Similarly, employee also have some group of document. Now we will understand the document in MongoDB. Document-oriented database are special type of NoSQL database used for storing, retrieving, managing semi-structured data. Document database pair each key with complex data structure, commonly with block of XML or JSON termed as document. A document is a set of key value pairs that support dynamic schema. A document is similar to row in a DBMS table and it supports dynamic schema, which implies document inside a collection can have same or different field. Now we will understand some benefits of document databases. Flexible data modeling. Document databases are best for modern applications like web, mobile, and many more. Database eliminates the need for force-fit relational database model. Fast query. Document databases have strong query engine and indexing features that provide fast and efficient retrieval of data. Faster write performance. Document database support write availability over strict data consistency. We will meet on another video. Thank you. Please subscribe YouTube channel InfoSyntax. And for more details, you can visit www.infosyntax.com. Bye.